let that guy get a head start on us. Because this is the fun thing. We'll line up here. Straighten down. This guy is awesome. Love everything about it. Alligator still chilling over there. You can see him still chilling, not doing anything, just waiting for me to fall in the water so it can eat. Not gonna happen today, alligator. Okay, let's see. Come on, come on, come on. And I'll shut it off. And for those of you guys who may notice on the way back, our speedo still does not work. We figured out that the return spring's broken, and so I've got a viewer reached out and said he had some, so he's sending them to me. So that's what we'll get that sorted as soon as those come in, because I couldn't fix it. That return spring snapped, and that was it. So let's get this guy started back up. Sounds good. Make our way home. See you later, alligator. Oh, he just went underwater. Hard right turn. Get a curve. So the speedo may not work, but the rep counter is the only one that matters. And that's where you hear all the good sounds. This road, 2-lane road, although it's not marked very well, takes us through Big Branch Wildlife Refuge, which is just this the whole way. You know, very few houses along here. There's some on either side of it, but it's nice. Traffic is like this most of the time. On this road that you really have to be wary about is right here. It's the main road that crosses right into it, and it's hard for them to see, and they're not used to traffic, so they could run out. That's the only spot. That's the only questionable location on this whole ride. that guy get a head start on us. Because this is the fun thing. We'll line up here. Straighten out. Brake check. Sucker runs pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to ride it like an old lady or an old man. I don't know, right? I tend to ride it really conservatively. I'm in fifth gear right now, right? I'll tell you this in the fourth. I'm in fourth gear right now. I'm doing not even 2,000 RPMs. I just put around on it most of the time, right? If I'm riding around, I'm doing it 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs, and I'm probably in fifth gear. I'm not trying to accelerate through the roof. I'm just trying to enjoy it. But if I want to, it wants to, and you saw it right there. It 100% wants to, and it wants to be 7,000 plus RPMs. That's where it wants to be. I want it to be on this side. So we have a great relationship. You know, I give it to it every now and then, and it keeps me alive by allowing me to stay over here. We took you through Big Branch National Wildlife Refuge. On the way there, we got to see an alligator. And then you got to hear this beast come to life. I don't do it much, but when I do it, it's glorious. We took you through Big Branch National Wildlife Refuge. On the way there, we got to see an alligator. And then you got to hear this beast come to life. I don't do it much, but when I do it, it's glorious. I want to thank you guys all for your support. Without it, we wouldn't be where we are. For helping us get to 5,000 subscribers. If you went ahead and hit the subscribe button, thank you. And if you're watching this and you haven't, smash that button. Right? It really means a lot, and it's nice to know, especially to the old GPZ. Remember, it was somebody's trash twice, but one man's trash is another man's come up. So guys, there you have it. Another phenomenal ride. Maybe not super long, but it's not the quantity, it's the quality, right? Being able to spend some time with this old guy is amazing. I love every time I ride it. It's incredible. And if you want to spend time with the GPZ, you can wear it. Cool little design that we did. I actually took the photo of this, sent it to my daughter, and she drew the outline of it. And it's got the nice little motorcycle rewind right in the middle. You can click in the link in the description below for motorcycle rewind gear, and you can get you one of these GPZ t-shirts. If you're a GPZ fan, and you want a t-shirt to support this old guy, it's not a bad little t-shirt. Check it out. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Well, before I thank you for watching, I want to thank you for being on this journey with us. It's been a year and a half since we started this channel. We set a goal June 21st to see if we can get to 5,000 subscribers. We crushed it. By the end, to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of July, and we crushed it. Guys, our posting schedule, I know may be aggressive to some people. We post 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. We take Sundays off. Why do I post 6 days a week? I like the discipline of having to do it every day. It keeps me accountable. If I didn't have it, I wouldn't do it. And I'm going to be honest. How many of us have projects in our garage and we're not getting to them? It's the same thing. By having this, it keeps me accountable. It keeps me accountable to the herd, to making sure I get things done. Like last week, rebuilding the brakes on the brake caliper on the CB354. It needed to be done, right? And so that's why the posting schedule really helps me. It helps me keep the garage kind of everything maintained as it should, without having to worry about anything else. But we're going to spend more time with this, just so you guys know. There's a couple of things coming in the future. If you're a GPZ fan, there's another one coming. But it's about half the size of this one. Well, it's exactly half the size of this one, right? It's a 550. That one's going to be coming really soon. Can't wait till we go pick it up. And if you guys like the features of other motorcycles that we've been doing. I've got good friends that have great motorcycles that are willing to allow me to share them with people, which I think is incredible. If you saw the video that we did with the GTs, Suzuki GT750 and the Suzuki RE5, it's nice to be able to share those type of motorcycles with other people, because I know I enjoy seeing them. And we're going to be doing more and more of those. We got some really interesting things in the works, so stay tuned. We have a really cool one coming up in a couple of days. And all I'm going to say is turbo. If you follow us on Instagram, you may have a hint. So, which is another reason. If you're not following us on Instagram or on Facebook, go ahead and hit that those follows, because that'll give you some more behind the scenes stuff that we post on there. Again, we post 6 days a week, but we post other stuff there that's only on there. So give those a follow. The other thing, guys, is thank you. You know, I know I've said it before, but I really mean it. This is something we never thought would happen. We never thought to grow to the way it is, and it's continued to grow, and it's continuing. So it's super fun. We enjoy it. We enjoy sharing these motorcycles with you. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy in his garage that's willing to give it a go. And if you're coming along with us, that's awesome. We truly appreciate it. And if you like it, go ahead and hit give it a thumbs up. You know, hit the notification bell so you get notifications when we post new ones. Or just tune in every day at 12, every day except Sunday, at 12 Central Time, and you'll get a new video. So, guys, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, wander on over to our friends, Brick House Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.